Hey ladies and gentlemen, Blake here from Draco Software Codes. Really excited to announce that we are finally ready to launch our Patreon. So we didn't want to launch our Patreon before our product was actually able to do something for the public, but we are well into our alpha. We've been in that state for a couple of weeks, and I think we're in pretty good shape. So right now you can go to dracosoftware.com/DracoModel. You can see the tool as we have it right now, so I have an example project up. This is a simple checking system that we've been using as an example. So we have a check and a biller and some categories. One of the things we can do with this tool is we can take a check, we can add a new field, maybe memo, right, and declare that as a string. Then all of a sudden we can just go to render code, render it as MySQL, and it'll download a file. We can come over here to our downloads folder and go over here, checkbook, and you can see as we open it up in Notepad, this is an actual MySQL document that would work in any recently modern MySQL database that has all the things in our database that we have in our model. So we'd have things like that memo that we just added as a varchar, that kind of thing. So this is a tool where you can go in, design something really rapidly, and then it automatically generates code. So we have HTML is working, the JavaScript is working. We're working with HTML and Bootstrap, which I'm really excited about, as well as other languages. This is really designed to be a platform agnostic tool. And so what we want to keep doing is adding different languages, adding new features, and growing this project a lot. And to do that, we need to keep the public servers up and online, which is currently being paid for out of my pocket. So part of the idea of the Patreon is so that I'm not having to pay for all of the servers and everything out of my pocket as we make this a more and more available product to be used by the greater world. So that's what I'm doing. That's what this is. And I hope I can count on everybody's support for the Patreon so that we can keep this awesome project working, because we've made great progress and I can't wait to see what we do in the future. Thank you very much.